Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of robots in the US military. Number 1. TALAN robots. TALAN robots have become well known for being tough, flexible, reliable, and good at their job of keeping people and important things safe. They're used in lots of different situations by the military, police, and emergency services. You might see them working to find and deal with dangerous bombs, doing reconnaissance, which means checking out an area to gather information, helping with communication, keeping things secure, lifting heavy stuff, defending places, and rescuing people. TALAN robots have been used all over the world, from helping out at Ground Zero after the 9/11 attacks to places like Iraq and Afghanistan. They were even involved in finding a suspect after the Boston Marathon bombing. They've also been handy for keeping big events safe and secure. The latest version, TALON 5, is the first of its kind to pass a big test by the Army Test and Evaluation Command. This means it's proven to work well with other equipment in the field, which is really important for missions where different teams need to work together smoothly. Number 2. Ghost Drone. The Ghost Drone is a cutting-edge, remotely piloted aircraft system designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Its single-rotor design allows for vertical takeoff and landing in confined spaces. It can fly for about 55 minutes in a range of 12 kilometers. Moreover, its operational capabilities extend to extreme conditions, with the ability to function in temperatures as low as 40 degrees Celsius and at altitudes of up to 12,000 feet and weighs around 17 kilos. It is equipped with advanced algorithms. It can autonomously detect and track targets, utilizing both daylight and thermal cameras to identify threats up to 500 meters away. Military groups like the RAF Regiment, Royal Marines, and US Army have tried it out and found it super useful for keeping places safe. With its cool features and ability to work in tough conditions, the Ghost Drone is a great tool for security missions. Before we dive into discussing the next military robot, let's explore why both the Big Dog and Spot mini military robots were discontinued. A lot of YouTubers still talk about the Big Dog as if it's still being worked on by the US military, but that's not true anymore. The Big Dog project was actually terminated at the end of December 2015. Although there were aspirations for it to serve as a pack mule for soldiers, its gasoline-powered engine proved too noisy for combat use. In response to footage of Big Dog, one soldier was quoted as saying, "We could just get a real donkey to do the same thing for cheaper, and you can eat the donkey in an emergency." I suppose that's a valid perspective. Another project, featuring an all-electric robot called Spot, was quieter but could only carry a limited weight of 40 pounds. Both projects have since been discontinued, though the Spot Mini was introduced in 2019. Moving on to Boston Dynamics' bipedal humanoid robot, Atlas. Atlas is designed to support emergency services, particularly in search and rescue missions. Its capabilities include tasks such as valve shutoffs, door openings, and operation of powered equipment in environments where human presence is not viable. Despite speculation, the Department of Defense clarified in 2013 that it had no intentions of employing Atlas for offensive or defensive purposes. Number 3. RIPSAW M5. RIPSAW M5 is the 5th generation of RIPSAW, providing speed, mobility, and unmanned capability. The M5 can silently maneuver and keep pace with the current and future maneuver forces, pushing capabilities beyond the human formation. Designed with an open architecture and a flat deck to accommodate a variety of payloads, the M5 can be tailored for your mission. The RIPSAW M5 employs a 360-degree camera and sensor system for remote operation, offers multiple surveillance options including electro-optical and infrared camera configurations, and can be equipped with the Kongsberg turret, the first remotely operated turret to be qualified and fielded within the US Army. The RIPSAW M5M has a combat weight of 10.5 tons, with a top speed of 25 mph, and is powered by a diesel and hybrid electric drivetrain, and its payload capacity is 8,000 pounds. Number 4. SAFFiR. SAFFiR, the shipboard autonomous firefighting robot. It's a humanoid robot made by some really smart folks at the Office of Naval Research and Naval Research Laboratory. SAFFiR is all about fighting fires on ships, all by itself. Its main goal is to stop fires quickly to save stuff and keep the ship ready for action. The robot is equipped with smart sensors, cameras, and thermal imaging to detect and suppress fires in challenging environments. Combining the concept of intelligent sensors with miniature flyers, it can fly even in smoke, and can go through those extremely narrow doors, can locate fires, and operate in those hallways even in dense fire smoke. At the current time, the robot is teleoperated, so you have operators standing off with the computer console. Number 5. Ghost Robotics Vision 60s Robot Dogs. These incredible canine-inspired robots, known as QUGVs, are designed to be super adaptable. They have this amazing control core that works even if they can't see, just like how our brains help us move around without bumping into things all the time. Imagine these robot dogs moving through cities, forests, snow, or deserts, navigating like real animals. It's all thanks to their clever control core, which mimics how mammals, like dogs or even us humans, move and find our way around. So even if their eyesight sensors aren't working perfectly, or if it's super dark, they can still keep going without any trouble. If they happen to trip over something, or slip on a tricky surface, they don't just give up. Nope, they quickly get back on their paws and continue their mission. It's like they have built-in resilience. Ghost Robotics wants these QUGVs to be the ultimate helpers in all sorts of situations. They're not just about walking, they're aiming for versatility. These robot dogs are learning to walk, run, crawl, climb, and yes, even swim. The goal is to keep our soldiers, workers, and even our furry canine friends safe in all the challenging places they have to go every single day. This cool device weighs 51 kilograms and can handle temperatures from super cold to pretty hot. It zooms around at a top speed of 3 meters per second and can go as far as 10 kilometers. Plus, it can work for up to 3 hours without needing a recharge. It's got a powerful brain called NVIDIA Xavier and can carry stuff weighing up to 10 kilograms. And guess what? You can put it together or take it apart in just 15 minutes. Cool, right? Number 6. Guardbot. Do you remember the Gyrosphere and Indominus Rex attack as it appears in Jurassic World? Guardbot has something similar. Guardbot is a spherical robotic vehicle designed and developed by Guardbot Inc. Guardbot's spherical robotic vehicle system operates in snow, sand, land, and water. It can even swim upstream. It can perform laser spectrography of a suspicious package for identification of hazardous and explosive materials. Guardbot's onboard video cameras can do a live streaming continuously during the operation. Guardbot is capable of supporting a wide range of applications in security, broadcasting for live video streaming, and missions. Guardbot moves using a patented drive mechanism. The drive is produced by a motorized pendulum that propels the unit by changing its center of gravity. This design allows it to easily provide forward and backward motion as well as make 360-degree turns. Its advanced battery-powered pendulum motion drive system can operate continuously for up to 25 hours on one charge and reach speeds of up to 9 mm/h on land and 3 mm in water. The custom battery can last 45 hours while stationary. What do you think about all these robots? Could army robots like these revolutionize entire industries? Thanks for watching. If you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your comments.